my name is Lingvo Peremitina and the title of my research project is Commercial Campaign Development, the account of semiotics of professional cross-cultural communication. This is in terms of comparison between France and Russia. This means that I studied the key aspects that are to be accounted while adapting French marketing strategies to Russian market. So, why is this relevant? First, everyone has heard about globalization and probably everyone has faced it to a certain degree. But the most sound influence we can find in the sphere of business, as companies are becoming multinational and transnational. And here the problem is that what was originally created for a particular target audience may not work with the new one. That's because the norms and demands of new customers' society may be drastically different if compared to those already known. This is why it is of paramount importance to adapt marketing strategies in accordance with demands of new customers' cultures. France was not chosen by accident. Russia has many close business connections with it, and at the same time, cultural profiles of French and Russian cultures are quite different. So here many potential barriers in terms of marketing communication can be found out. And what is important, no research aimed at enclosing those differences in terms of marketing communication between France and Russia has been conducted before. So, the research question is, what are the key aspects of interaction between France and Russia in terms of adapting French marketing strategies to Russian market? And in order to answer this question, I need to accomplish several objectives. First, to study the national and business profiles of Russian and French cultures. Second, study the sign systems that fall into paradigms of these two cultures. Third, to conduct a survey in order to reveal the differences in perception between representatives of these two cultures. And finally, to figure out the most proper ways of adapting French marketing strategies to Russian market. So, why this research is a solid one? First, as it has been already mentioned previously, this is the first research aimed not only at enclosing cultural differences, but at applying those cultural differences to adaptation of marketing strategies to a new market. This is in terms of France and Russia. The second reason is that the experimental part of this research has already started, and since 2016, several interesting findings in terms of semiotics pragmatics have been already made. This was with a French company named Yurievna. And in the nearest future, I'm planning to expand my research and also work with such world-famous French companies as Renault, Citroën, Danone, and Mars. Thank you for your attention.